Video today on choosing the right plan. Make sure that you understand how the Salefreaks plans work and you choose wisely. Okay, so I'm just going to use the example of my account, and then you guys can make your mind up how you're going to choose yours and how to adjust yours and everything. So this is the section. You just literally go on your just say upgrade my plan on your dashboard, and then it comes to this screen. So you can see at the moment I've got 391 listings, and that's all I need at the moment. I've got the 1,000 listing plan. Now you might be thinking, why have you got 1,000 when you've got 391 listings? Well, it's actually not just to do with your listings. Now, if you have auto ordering switched on, which most of you will do after the 14 days, so this is a good video for people watching up to that point and people already in their packages, especially early on, you get auto orders included. Now, for the first 300, and bear in mind that's 10 sales a day. Now at start that is great, but this isn't a number that you're going to get to anyway. This is a number you're going to be able to achieve quite quickly. So if you get to the 10 sales a day, and you could do it with 391 listings. Now if I had say 900 listings, with the rate I'm getting my sales at the moment, this month I'm already on 270. So I've only got 30 more sales to get, and I've got half the month still to go. So I'm likely to hit that order limit. So I'm going to have to increase my auto orders, and I do plan on growing next month. So it is time for me to do it. So it's about knowing when to do it. Now, the auto orders, by the way, the allowance starts from the first of the month to the end of the month. It's not your billing month, from the billing month to billing month. It's not that at all. Anything that goes for me, anything that goes over 300 auto orders, I'll actually be charged 40 cents per listing, and I get charged at the end of the month. So I won't get charged on my billing date. So if you're one of those people that are fast approaching the amount of orders, and by the way, that's every order. If you've got auto ordering package, that includes failed orders. Every order that's on the orders page counts as an automatic order, even if it fails, because they set Salefreaks have told me, because it starts going through their process, and that's a cost to them. That counts as one of your free auto orders included in your package. So be aware of that. So go onto your Salefreaks dashboard, go onto the orders page, and then go on to, let me just see what it says in the chat here. Sorry, I'm in a chat now. It's not the issue, every order we pull. Okay, so anyway, I was just having a chat with Salefreaks about it. So go on to here, and you're going to go on to 1st December to the 16th. I've got that set there already. Click for your orders. And then you see here 270 orders. There you go. Oh, last one's failed. 270 orders. So we go back on the package page. We know that 270 orders have gone through. So I'm only 30 orders away from what my package is. That's not many at all. So I'm going to have to actually upgrade. Now I do plan on growing these accounts. You might think, well, why have you only got 391 listings? You've been doing dropshipping for quite a while now. I mean, I've been with Salefreaks. It'll be 2 years in sort of March time, I think. So it's over a year and a half now, just with Salefreaks, and before that eSync. And you might be thinking, why have you only got 391 listings? Don't get me wrong, some people can actually smash it with 391 listings if they're like super hot sniped items. But I actually have API stores that are much bigger, that we've got tens of thousands of listings. I like to start my stores on non-API, build them up, age them, and then when they grow to a certain size, or if they get flagged, unfortunately, if the sales gets slowed down by eBay, I put them straight over to API. So API is my sort of long-term goal, and that's stuff that we can show you as well. But anyway, back to the auto ordering. So just remember what to take away from this, because you can't stop auto orders. Every order that comes through, even if you force them to fail, like say you put a limit of £1 per Amazon account, which you can do. You know, you could put a max amount. Any order that fails or anything like that, when you bought auto ordering and you're in the auto ordering packages, because there's no way going back, you've got to make sure that your orders are big enough. Now, something else that you can do, and I won't show you on my screen right now, but I'll tell you, you can go into global settings and set a minimum profit. A lot of you have probably seen, and put a minimum profit of this here, 40 cents. So go on, put in here like, so 40 cents into GBP. Oops. Okay, I don't know what I was meant to put. Do you know what? I'll just go on a currency converter. Just put it the other way around. Let's do this. 0. Flat. Huh. So that's 30p. So just to cover it, cover yourself, you could do 35p per order or something. So you could add that onto your global settings, and so then you're at least hitting that. You could say 40p if you wanted to, say, and so you're definitely making a profit. That's another way of doing it. So use your orders page, see how many orders you've got. Are you approaching this here? Now, I will let you guys know that the best value package there is, and I know you might not need, say, 1,000, but make sure your auto ordering makes sense. You know, if you're someone who's getting a lot of orders through, you can go well above this amount here because of your auto orders, and you don't want that to eat into your profits, because it's important for us not just to think about all the money that we're making, because I know at the start it's all about getting that first sale, that rush, but we need to look after our costs long term as well. So if you look at here, the packages as they go up, you know, they start going up about the same amount, but when you reach 2,500 listings, you notice the difference: $2,150, $2,563. So the difference isn't that big. That's the best value package there is of all of them. Now, when you grow bigger than this, it's not really going to matter. It's irrelevant. But you'll get 750 orders. So that's a lot more orders you'll get every day. It's not 30 sales or anything, but it's more than 20 sales a day. Trying to work out what it is. It's probably like more like 25. Is it 25? Oh, it is 25. So it's on average of a 30-day month anyway. 25 sales a day. Again, easily achievable. So, and on 2,500 listings on a non-API store that's not been flagged or throttled, that's easily achievable with 2,500 listings. So you'll find yourself having a bigger listing package than you need, because you need to make sure that it's cost effective with your auto ordering. I just really want to make this video so you guys are aware and you're going to choose your plans wisely. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to do more videos like this. We've got FAQ Thursdays to join into as well. We've been a bit quiet on that recently, so that will be tomorrow. And yeah, I really hope that this has sort of open your eyes a little bit to the packages and how they work with Salefreaks, the good, the bad. I just want to make sure that everyone is being cost effective, and I hope you are all having amazing Christmas sales, and I hope you have a really good 2021. Take care.